In this video, we're going to be talking about our jacks. We have come to the manufacturer of the jack, and we are parked right here. You can see they provide a place for you to park, so that's pretty cool. Hey everyone, welcome to Tigner Adventures. My name's David, and we have come to our jack manufacturer because we're having issues with our jacks on our motorhome. This is HWH Corporation. They make a lot of jacks for motorhomes and probably other things too. But anyway, I've got some paperwork here and you know, the manual that came with it. I've looked at a couple things, but basically what's happening is my back jack on my driver's side doesn't go down anymore. So my jacks are a little different. They actually, when you pull the lever, they drop down. They rotate down. They just slide down. They go like that. Compared to some of the ones where you see where it's just a post that goes straight down, mine actually rotates down and then jacks up. And my back one isn't doing that. And so I'm here at the service department. We're going to have this checked out today to see what parts we need. They sent me some parts probably about a year ago. I've never done anything with them because if you look here, I've taken this plate off, and if you lift it up here, there are some rotating parts in there, and it doesn't look like, I don't know how to really get it out of there. So I kind of just stopped there and haven't really done anything. So I'm going to have them kind of check it out and give me some ideas and what we can do. This is, of course, 30 years old, so getting things to replace it might be a challenge also. But let me show you how this, you know, kind of what's going on here. My jacks are manual, so I just adjust these levers, and these little lights tell us, you know, which ones, you know, need to be adjusted. So this one here is my left right, so I'm kind of reading upside down, and then this one's my left front. So you see my left front jack right there, and I pull the lever, see how it rotated down, and then it just goes down. So, and then when I let off the lever, then it releases and folds back up again. All right, so let's show you what the back one sounds like. So if I pull that lever, all that runs is the motor. It never actuates, it never drops the jack or pumps up the jack. So even though the jack's not dropping down, if I'm pulling that lever, it's still not extending out. So for some reason, something is going on there. And so that's what we need to have checked. So I have an appointment this morning, and I'm going to go into the shop and have the service guy kind of look at it a little bit, and hopefully, you know, he'll be able to at least fix it or whatever. They can rebuild the whole unit, what do you call that? The manifold piece of the jacks. They can rebuild it. It's like $600. So I don't know. We're going to check it out and see what they have to offer. I'll show you around a little bit because they have a really nice visiting lounge that you can stay in when you're just you know, they're working on your unit, and of course they've got places where you can park for the night. So we're going to be here we stayed last night, and the weather here has been rainy and very pleasant. It's nice and cool this morning, about 65, so that's nice that we're back into cool weather again. So anyway, we'll check this out and I'll show you around a little bit, and we'll kind of get an idea what's going on. HWH Corporation is located in Moscow, Iowa, and we're just right out here in the middle of the cornfields. So they've just got a big service department out here, and then they have a visitor center here that we can go into. Ninette and Tansy are over there checking it out, and we got coffee and a microwave, so at least we have some place comfortable to wait. And then their office is right over here. service office. So they've taken out the control board and plungers. They've unhooked all the hoses. My problem is I didn't know how to unhook the hoses, but they unhooked the hoses and put little plugs in each one, and they found a broken plunger, so they've replaced that, and now they're checking out a missing, or the light doesn't work when to show it's down. They're going to see if they can fix that, but things are moving along. Everything is back in place and looks really good, so that's really cool. They've gone through and tested everything, says it all worked great. So now we're going to just do our own little tests and see how it works. So first thing I'm going to do is turn the key on. So I've turned the key on. So my power is on. I'm going to turn that on. You can see that these little indicators here show that where I'm low. So my left rear and my left front are low. The cool thing is now, let's go ahead and check out the jack and try it out. So, and the cool thing is that I got the invoice here. It was only $215 to have them go through everything, test it all, and make sure everything was working. So I think we are good. So thanks for coming along with me on this. If you happen to have HWH jacks, then I started working with them on the phone, and they were really helpful just on the phone. I just decided I didn't want to do it myself since I was going to be in Moscow, Iowa, or at least going by there. It was only a couple of 100 miles out of our way, but it was fun to see the factory, or at least see the workshop and talk to the people there and things like that. So anyway, it was a lot of fun. So we had fun doing this, and we got our jack working now, so that's what's important. So thanks for coming along. Hopefully we'll see you down the road somewhere on one of our other videos, or I guess on one of our other videos. So see you later.